This is the Shad South property on Bald Knob Road. This is coming into the drive. It's really nice and quiet out here. Just kind of give you a little spin around of what the road looks like. This is Bald Knob Road. Very easy to find. Has a trailer, carport, and a shop building in the back. Let me give you a little better exposure there. There you go. Plenty of elbow room here. Imagine some great wildlife up here. The trailer, the front part of the skirting looks generally new. Looks like it's on some propane. This side skirting looks a little older.